Sweet little thing. This has to be another one of my favourites. Welcome to Car Traction. Now today we've seen a few very nice classic examples of some lorries going past, so we're going to see if we can find some of them. See you later. Only joking. Looks promising. Ford recovery truck.
I think it's coming in again.
Here's that Ford recovery truck that we just saw pulling in. Nicely weathered AA badge there. I like the wooden back and the sign writing on that, that was great. Nice little light. Jerry can. It looks like we're getting another arrival. It's a cute little thing, this Ford truck. Next up, a nice old Albion. Chunky tyres. It's great. This has to be one of my favourites from the show. Cute little Foden flatbed. I love that. Next to it is another beautiful Foden cement mixer. It's huge, this thing. Great. This has to be another one of my favourites. Love the old ERF. Another weathered AA badge on there. Suits the oily rag charm of this. I love the worn sign writing on the door. It's great, that. Now hopefully on the channel we'll be getting more videos like this as things start to open up after COVID. I'm looking forward to that. Chunky arrivals. I think it is a bit oversized. something behind it too. ERF. ERF's turn now. I like the writing on the side. There's a lot of variation here. We're seeing all types of lorries, some of the newer 90s, 80s stuff, and then some of the older things. I like this Bedford done up in a road maintenance line painting livery. Have a look round the back. You've got all the gubbins in there. Behind that we have two ERFs, a Foden and a very nice 50s ERF in red. Some more nice writing on the side. And then towing that is another even bigger ERF. Great combination, slightly newer ERF, F-Reg, towing, slightly older one. Another arrival. It's turning out to be quite a big meet. There are even aeroplanes. This handsome Scammell has quite an interesting story about it. The owner's dad used to run it, and then when the company, sorry, there's quite a bit of noise from another lorry. When the company went bankrupt, it was sold off, and then luckily the current owner managed to find his dad's lorry again, and now it's being used on the road, reunited with its family. This has got to be one of my favourite things in the show. Beautiful tanker. That was a few motorbikes coming in case you were wondering. There's all sorts here. As you can see, this place is very popular with bikers too. Another nice one. Morris Austin LD. One of the smaller examples at the show today. It's a sweet little thing. An example of a nice AEC. Chunky charm, I'd call it. Apologies for the motorbike noises. Another big American arrival just coming in. love that. Fair share of American things here with this Mac and the previously shown auto car over there. Have a closer look at this chunky American icon. P&H trucking. Wow, that's shiny. Sudden rush of ERFs. Quite a convoy. Behind this massive recovery truck is a not so massive old Morris Austin LD. Lovely oily rag job there. When you look up patina in the dictionary, there should be a picture of this next to it. Great thing. Couple more revivals, Scania, and a very nice Ford. Volvo in the distance. Scania just arriving now. Haven't seen any Volvos today. Chunky. Nice little Austin 7 going past. Here's that lovely little Austin 7 chummy that just arrived. I love that. It's a great little thing. Quite bonny. It does look absolutely dwarfed by the huge, massive lorries. Another ERF. Just seen this Mustang coming in. 5-litre V8. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film it, but an MGB GT just came past, showing that there's a great variety of lorries and cars and some motorbikes here. In the distance I can see another beauty. Leyland by the looks of things, yep. Handsome machine, isn't it? Something else is coming in. Leyland. chummy is departing. He's coming past. It's dwarfed by this huge thing here. Another Leyland. What is this? That is an odd thing. Well, I don't think there'll be many more arrivals now. A couple of them have started to leave, so I think I'm going to have to call this a day on this fantastic turnout. As always, if you're not already, please subscribe if you'd like to see more lorries like this. Like the video, comment if you saw your lorry in this, or if you have similar examples. Thanks for watching.